I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Conair brand, their Girlbomb Rechargeable Shaver and Body Buffer. Primarily meant for women, and this could be used for wet or dry. So it's a shaver and body polishing kit all in one. Very interesting design. I'm going to show you. It fits nicely in the palm of your hand because it has a nice oversized holder. You see those grips on there? This makes it really nice to hold so it doesn't slip around. It's got the basic power switch right there, and the recharging port is right there. Now you could run this thing with the charging port if it's low on power. This is heavy duty port on here. And you notice it's ETL rated, which is excellent because it's an electrical component that you use in your bathroom typically, and that's really important, so I like that. And it has enough extra power not only to charge it but to actually run it. If you're going to use this and power it with this, then don't bring it into the shower obviously, but in the shower it's totally fine with the unit itself. There's a little charging indicator there we're going to show. Now what they did is very clever, is they put a counterbalance there if you look. So this starts to vibrate, and that vibration is totally independent of the cutting heads. And you could put these attachments on here. There's different ones. There's exfoliate, and this is a brush. And you put it in, line it up, and click it to the right. So when you turn this unit on, it has an exfoliation property because it is vibrating. So you put a little cleanser, a little soap, a little cream on there, exfoliate your skin. So you have the choice of that. Then you have this one right here, just for rolling over your skin, and this one here, which is really soft, and you could add some creams and other things to it also. Then the other interface on here is the actual shaving mechanism, and it's a foil shaver. This goes back and forth, and you have a cutting edge right here and a cutting edge right there, and then a shaving foil right there, a combination of both. I'm going to take this out to show you. For cleaning, you can remove that and keep it all clean if you get any hair embedded in there. Now this also goes on this unit like this, lines up, and you click it clockwise like that also. There's little buttons there were the ones that I pushed in to remove it for cleaning. So right now this is totally water resistant, and you could use it in the shower quite easily. Now my wife tried this. She shaved this morning and she really loves it. What she was impressed with is the size and the comfort feel of it. Now I'm just going to demonstrate how this shaver works. I've got arm hair right here. I can just easily cut this off. And what's really cool is that this works in both directions. It works when you go this way and this way, and then as it's trimming the hair, it goes over this to make it even smoother. So you end up with, I mean, it's totally smooth, like I used a blade on my arm. And that's what my wife said also. So I'm impressed, my wife's impressed with the ability of this to trim hair and really smoothly shave your legs or anywhere you want, the bikini area. This is great also for. So let's just charge this up, and let's see what happens when you charge it, what the display does. Here I plugged it in, and you can see it has a nice blinking LED, and that will stop blinking. It'll be solid when it's fully charged. And by the way, I forgot to mention, this has a full 2-year warranty from Conair. And also I forgot to mention that it is ETL rated, a device itself.